Good morning. In previous class we have already started a new chapter, that is Saudi Arabia, the land of hot deserts. And I started with giving you 6 vocabulary, and I believe that you are already familiar with these vocabulary. First vocabulary that I gave it to you was desert. Another word that I gave you was desert. Desert and desert. Desert is a land where you will have only sand, and desert is a food that we eat after our meal, which means one is food item and one is place, desert. Alright, and likewise scanty, infertile and fertile, what is barren and surrounded. Alright, and we talked about the Saudi Arabia, a country as such. And now today we will talk about its location, where it falls. Once again I would like to show you, this is a model of our Earth globe. This is India, right? And we are talking about Saudi Arabia here, right? Saudi Arabia. And today our subtopic is location. Alright, and you know this one. This is east. Okay, I'm standing here like this. This is my right hand and this is my left hand. Okay, so likewise you understand I have drawn this. Okay, this is, if I face this side, this my right hand is always east and my left hand is always west. Alright, east, west, north and south. Now let us see the Saudi Arabia, India and Saudi Arabia. Okay, and the eastern side, which are the countries are there in the eastern side? Doha, Kuwait. Alright, and one more country, eastern side, Muscat. All these countries are in the eastern side. And the northern side, which are the countries are there in the northern side? Let us see. Northern side. Iraq, okay, alright, Jordan, okay, Kuwait, all these are in northern side, not eastern side. Kuwait is not eastern side, you can call it eastern side also, but specifically, okay, the Iraq and Jordan, they are in northern side. And which are the countries are there in the western side? Let us see here. Western side, no countries. Big sea, bigger than river, sea. And that sea is called Red Sea, which means western side they have got Red Sea. And now southern side, let us see here. Southern side is Yemen, Oman. Okay, southern side, all these countries are there in the southern side. If you look at your textbook, you will find the same. I showed you from here, model of our Earth, that is globe. Okay, from here we could find out that which are the countries are here in the northern side, and eastern side, western side and southern side. Alright, you can refer your textbook. Alright, this is the location of the country called the Saudi Arabia. Alright, the capital city of Saudi Arabia is Riyadh. R-I-Y-A-D-H. Riyadh. Okay, and this country is ruled by a king, and this king is called a monarch. A monarch rules over this country, that is Saudi Arabia. Okay, all these matters are for location. Alright, now know the spelling of this and know the meaning of this and the spelling as well. Monarch is a king. Riyadh is a capital city of Saudi Arabia. Alright, let us take another subtopic, that is climate. Right? Even in the previous class I told you that right now we are talking about a place where climate is very hot, right? Greenland was very cold. Everywhere snow and snow and snow. And right now we are talking about place where climate is very hot. And in this place we don't get snow at all. We get only sand and sand and sand. So therefore climate, you understand the climate. Immediately into your head it comes that, oh, there will be a lot of, the place where there are no trees and everywhere sand and sand, those kind of place we are talking about. So naturally you will have very hot weather and also very dry. Hot and dry. Very hot, dry means no rain. Alright, so therefore 50 degrees Celsius means very hot. 100 degree water will start boiling. 100 degree. And this is half of it, which means very hot, no? Very hot. Here we will not have that kind of, the temperature. 50 degrees, very hot. Even Calcutta, the hottest day, maximum is 42, 43, 44. Otherwise, it will not go more than that. People will start dying. So, but in this place, you will have 50 degrees Celsius of temperature, which means very hot. Alright? Climate, very hot and dry. And so therefore, rainfall will be very scanty. Last time only we have written this word, we know. And sandstorm, one more word I have written here. What is this sandstorm? Storm, what is storm? Where we will have a lot of wind and rain and hailstones and all here, no? When we say storm means we understand that. But here in this desert, storm means you will not get hailstones there. You will not get rain there. What you will get? Sand. Lot of heavy wind with sand. So therefore sandstorm, we call it sandstorm. That sandstorm is very dangerous. If we are traveling in that particular place where they have got with this sandstorm, then it's very dangerous. Okay, all right. This is sandstorm. Okay. Then another word I have written here is sand dunes. What is sand dunes? Wait, I'll explain. I told you sandstorm is strong wind, heavy wind, very strong wind with sands, lot of sands in it. All right. So when they have a very strong wind with a lot of sands, this sands will get collected from one place to another. Suppose if wind is blowing from this place to sands, whatever the sands will be carried by that wind to that another place, and they will deposit that sand to that particular place, the another place. So there they will form mountain. Mountain. When I say mountain doesn't mean that huge mountain like, we can see from here to Padang, I can see that mountain, not like that, big mountain, small mountains, like hillocks kind of, not small mountains. So this, because of storm and the sandstorm, they will form small hills, mountains, small mountains. So that mountain, which is made out of sandstorm, those mountains are called sand dunes. They are small hills. I have written hills. Alright. So you know the meaning of scanty. Now you understand the meaning of sandstorm and sand dunes. Alright. Very good. Now we will take another subtopic, that is vegetation.